Hi everybody, and welcome back to the TelexFREE Training Series. In this segment we're going to talk about the software, more importantly downloading the software so that you have the access to use it. I want you to think about the TelexFREE software as like a communication dashboard, much like you would look at a dashboard on your car. So there's all sorts of bells and whistles and features of the software that you can use in reference to communication. For example, there's file sharing, there is a texting feature, there is the ability to make telephone calls from your computer to other TelexFREE users around the world. There's even features where you can place from your own mobile phone a telephone call to other mobile phone users all around the world. I mean, this is really an opportunity for you. It's kind of a communication suite. I go back to that word communication dashboard, where really at your fingertips you have the ability to communicate with people worldwide. We live in a world where communication is of vital importance. We all want instant communication. We also want communication that's reliable and also communication that's affordable. Even more so, perhaps communication that allows us to be mobile. Now that is all available to you here with the TelexFREE software. So what I'm going to do now is just show you how to access the software and download it. You'll notice up here in this word ribbon up here, the software icon. You can click on in order to gain access to the software there, or I'm just scrolling down here a little bit and you can see in this tile here access to the TelexFREE software with that kind of magenta looking radio tab right here. So we'll just click on it because that's where we are. And here's what's even great about TelexFREE as well. Check this out. You can enjoy or try the TelexFREE software for an hour for free. There's no hooks, there's no entering your credit card and they're going to bill you in 10 days. They want you to try it out for free and check it out, see if you like it. Go ahead and make a call to Canada or Mexico or wherever else you may be if you're in the UK. You can make calls for 1 hour for free, just to check it out. I think that's great. That's a nice little, feature, and just demonstrates to me the kind of pride that they have in what it is that they're offering. So you'll see here that if you kind of slide through this slideshow here of all that's available to you. So you've got video calls, you've got call-in landlines, you've got conference calling abilities, you've got screen sharing abilities, you've got file uploads, chat messaging, which is that text messaging feature I spoke to you about earlier. You can make free calls, providing each user has the TelexFREE software downloaded on their computer, and that's it. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see kind of the icons here of the 7 features that are provided to you with the TelexFREE software. So let's go ahead and figure out how to download it. It's really easy. This back office here is great. I mean, they make it as easy as they possibly can for you in order to have a friendly experience here in the back office. So as you can see here, I'm just going to click download. Okay, and we're going to scroll down a little bit here so you can see what it is that you need to do. Okay, you've got an option here whether your operating system is 32 bits or 64 bits for Windows. You can go ahead and download it for free. There's no hooks there as well. And as the install software is migrating for you and populating for you, you can see that these little windows are opening up. It just gives you an idea of what you're going to be looking for as you download the software. So again, they make it as easy as they possibly can for you. So it's all right here, it's all in your back office. I want to show you one more thing. On this little word ribbon here, we already went through the features, coverage, the plans, the ability to download, and a tutorial, okay, to show you how to use what it is that you have access to here. But let's go over to coverage here and just take a look at that. You can see all of these little, you can see all these little flags here that indicate the countries for which you can make calls to, as well as make calls from. Now, if the country's not listed on here, don't sweat it, don't worry. You can still make calls to that country, and they are adding more countries all of the time in order for us to make calls from that country. So let's just look at United States here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and you'll see as you looked at the United States, a variety of states, not all states, but every state is listed here with the ability to for a contact, like a routing number. You'll see that right here. So again, all of it's here. All you got to do is go up to to download the software, click on the software button up there at the top, or you can do it as I showed you on that initial tile on the home screen. But again, if you need support, contact your sponsor, get in touch with us. You are on the greatest team imaginable. We're the fastest growing team and the largest team in the world for a reason. Why? Because we offer so much value and support. We're looking forward to working with you. Let us know if we can help you. And that's it right now for About the Software. Again, as they are making those upgrades, and version 2 is going to be available sometime in May, maybe early June, we're all looking forward to that because we're all pleased with the software that exists right now. We can't wait for the next version. Take care. Bye-bye.